Hey everyone, just a quick little update. Say what happened last weekend. I did say that I broke the car at Global Time Attack, and I found out what happened. So it looked like the manifold unbolted itself, wore down some stud threads, the gasket broke, and then the exhaust coming out between the two completely fried my charge cooler coupler. But I'm happy that it's not serious at all. This is a really good opportunity for me to actually take my time and take everything apart and fix it. So I got some double locking Nord locks. It's two washers in one and they kind of bite into each other. This came highly recommended to me from the boosted MRS page. And apparently having your turbo come off on the track is more common than I thought. I did not know. So vibration and heat equals turbo flying off. So that's fun. These Nord locks are used mostly in the locomotive industry, where if a fastener were to come off, it would mean certain death for people. So they use these to just lock it into place like no other. I'm also gonna take this opportunity to not only replace the stuff that broke, but do a refresh. It's about mid-racing season, and so we got 2 packs of plugs, copper gasket, an oil change with the catch can I have now. It dirties the oil a lot faster. I've shortened my coolant hoses so they actually fit properly. Changed all the exhaust manifold studs, which are also a wear item apparently. Reroute some of these vacuum line, clean it up a little bit. I've accidentally reused my valve cover seal about 3 times now, so I guess that's time for a change as well. Just been testing the turbo to see how the bearing's doing. Still perfect. And I got some 1-inch lava tape, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up my turbo manifold so something like this can't happen again, melting stuff or overheating anything. I ordered a bunch of stuff, a new coupler and a turbo blanket as well. All right, 1 week later, we finally got our stuff in the mail and we're good to go. So, ended up wrapping the manifold and sprayed some copper gasket on both of the sealing surfaces of the turbo and the turbo manifold. Already went through and tapped the O2 sensor holes so we can run the modern O2 sensor. It was highly recommended that I use the copper gasket instead of a metal gasket, which blow out and aren't very good for the track. So, and the Nord lock symbol goes on the outside. I should mention that this manifold is kind of like my in-between start manifold. I originally got a turbo kit, and you really don't need a turbo kit. It's just a waste of money and time, and you're just paying somebody else to put all the bits together for you. And actually I think about 90% of this turbo kit went into the garbage. So just save yourself the time and money, do a little bit of research, and just buy all this stuff for your application. Top 3. Oh no.